Starting around the 2nd of June 2023, Smooth Love Elixir especially is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.14% in most recent 60 minutes. SLP fundamentally has an all-out market cap of $89,490,106 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $4,782,783 in a genuinely significant manner. This really makes exceptionally Smooth Love Elixir positioning at 274 in the digital money market, or so they for the most part thought. In the event that you fundamentally are a crypto financial backer and considering what essentially is the extremely Smooth Love Elixir cost expectation end of 2023, what will really Smooth Love Mixture be worth in 2023 in a genuinely significant manner? Is especially Smooth Love Mixture an especially wise venture or certainly worth purchasing in 2023 in a kind of enormous manner? Will SLP cost basically outperform its record-breaking pretty high in an extremely significant manner? These explicitly are in every practical sense Smooth Love Mixture cost expectations for SLP's future in an unpretentious manner. Smooth Love Elixir value expectation 2023 as per the kind of Smooth Love Mixture figure cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the SLP cost in a real sense is supposed to cross a truly normal value level of $0. The normal, certainly least value worth of truly Smooth Love Mixture toward the finish of the in every practical sense current year ought to really be $0 a kind of large manner. Besides, SLP can in a real sense arrive at a really greatest value level of $0. Smooth Love Elixir value gauge May 2023. The sort of Smooth Love Mixture value for May 2023 may arrive at a sort of least worth of $0. The by and large most extreme gauge cost really is around $0, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. The especially normal cost for SLP in every practical sense is basically anticipated to generally reach $0 May 2023 in a huge way. Smooth Love Elixir value expectation June 2023. The cost for kind of Smooth Love Mixture in June 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0, which really is very huge, while the typical exchanging cost ought to sort of be around $0 in exceptionally huge manner. Smooth Love Elixir value conjecture July 2023. In July 2023, the cost of essentially Smooth Love Mixture certainly is supposed to by and large be at around at least $0, a fundamentally huge manner. Smooth Love Mixture cost can sort of arrive at a truly limit of $0, the typical cost of $0 USD. In every way that really matters. Further appearance, how might SLP cost especially outperform its unsurpassed high? Smooth Love Mixture value figure August 2023. The by and large normal cost of kind of Smooth Love Elixir could truly go to $0 the finish of August 2023, which especially is genuinely critical. SLP could in a real sense exchange around a very greatest worth of $0, the base expected cost of $0, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Smooth Love Elixir value conjecture September 2023. For September 2023, the cost of truly Smooth Love Mixture generally is somewhat anticipated to sort of arrive at an especially normal cost of $0. The coin could exchange between an essentially limit of $0, fundamentally least of $0. Smooth Love Elixir value figure October 2023. The very normal cost of really Smooth Love Mixture could explicitly go to $0 the finish of October 2023 in a fundamentally significant manner. SLP could generally be exchanging around a greatest worth of $0, the base expected cost of $0, which generally is genuinely critical. Smooth Love Mixture value gauge November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Smooth Love Elixir truly is supposed to be at around a very least of $0, or so they basically thought. Smooth Love Elixir cost can in a real sense arrive at an in every practical sense limit of $0, the extremely normal cost of $0 USD, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. SLP value figure December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Smooth Love Elixir in every practical sense is determined to truly be at around a for the most part least worth of $0 in unpretentious manner. The Smooth Love Mixture value worth can arrive at a fundamentally limit of $0, the genuinely normal exchanging worth of $0 USD. So truly Smooth Love Elixir value estimate November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of especially Smooth Love Elixir basically is supposed to for the most part be at around a by and large least of $0, which basically is genuinely huge. Smooth Love Elixir in every practical sense. Past value examination in the sort of beyond 24 hours. The crypto truly has been for the most part diminished by 0.42% in its by and large current worth, or so they explicitly thought. Assuming that we look at the very current market cap of the SLP with yesterday's, you can basically see that the market cap in a real sense is likewise down in a quite huge manner. Smooth Love Elixir in every way that really matters is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with sort of other crypto coins in opposition to prevalent thinking. The SLP really is down to nearly 1.13% in the sort of most recent 7 days, and in an every practical sense, large way. The coin really is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for genuinely past especially couple of days. The coin could by and large have kind of solid basics in any case. We don't truly believe that it would a productive resource in kind of present moment, extremely in spite of mainstream thinking. Inside the especially most recent 1 month, the cost of SLP diminished by 28.690%, killing an astounding extremely normal amount of $0 its sort of current worth in a really significant manner. This unexpected down generally implies that the coin really is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can generally be a very decent certainly purchase an open door for most certainly speedy interest in an exceptionally huge manner. The 90 days cost change fundamentally is near 27.55%, and the cost basically circled from an especially least sort of typical cost of $0 really greatest essentially normal cost of $0 the genuinely beyond 90 days. Or so they for the most part thought. In most recent 4 months in every practical sense, smooth love elixir really has shown a developing pattern, or so they basically thought. In this way, we generally imagine that comparable pieces of the market were very famous at that period, showing that genuinely smooth love elixir value expectation 2023 as per the genuinely smooth love mixture gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the SLP cost by and large is supposed to commonly cross a for the most part normal value level of $0. The normal exceptionally least value worth of in every practical sense. Smooth love mixture toward the finish of the kind of current year ought to in every practical sense be $0, beautiful as opposed to mainstream thinking. As per the essentially the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of fundamentally smooth love mixture really is expanded from 4 months, which by and large is genuinely critical. The exchanging volume is an imperative job in its cost. Extremely further appearance how especially smooth love mixture cost can arrive at a genuinely limit of $0, the essentially normal cost of $0 USD. Or so they generally thought. The coin in every practical sense is up by 3.34% with the genuinely greatest fundamentally normal cost of the coin by and large was around $0. The genuinely least especially normal cost of essentially was around $0 beyond 4 months. Really as opposed to prevalent thinking. Smooth love elixir value conjecture 2023 FAQs what will really be especially smooth love mixture fundamentally worth in 2023. The SLP value sort of is gauged to for the most part arrive at an extremely greatest degree of $0 certainly least cost of $0 the finish of 2023 in a sort of enormous manner. Kinds of smooth love mixture truly have a future in a kind of significant manner. As far as cost, in every practical sense, smooth love mixture especially has a remarkable all things considered, potential to generally arrive at new level. It by and large is estimate that SLP will increment in esteem in a significant way, as per pretty unambiguous specialists and business experts, especially smooth love elixir can basically raise a ruckus around town. The most exorbitant cost of 1 cent till 2030 is essentially smooth love elixir certainly worth purchasing in 2023 in a kind of enormous manner. Smooth love potion, worth essentially is supposed